make you.
Hello. All right, today a little bit about from open water to all the way to instructor, how long it takes, how much money it's gonna cost you, how many dives you need to become instructor, and so, because so many people actually asking, they becoming open waters, they start liking diving, and then they said how I can become instructor. So I have a good opportunity today interview two guys who are recently doing instructor course or IDC, and they've been a divers for a while. Hello Danat.
Hey.
How long it took for you to from the open water to instructor course?
From the open water to instructor course in total in years?
Yeah.
It took me around like four years, yeah.
4 years?
Yeah.
Okay, so first you did like try dive or you immediately did a course?
Trial dive, of course.
Yeah?
Yeah, trial dive, and I'm completely addicted to diving.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. And hello Roda.
Hello, yeah.
How long it took for you?
For me, so long time. Yeah. From 2005.
Yeah.
I did open water until divemaster from 2005 until 2010. Yeah, because after the course I do a lot of training and fun dive.
Yeah.
And then from 2010 I be the divemaster until now. This about 12 years.
12 years.
Yeah, this is gonna be long time. And then because I see many people going diving and teaching, and then now I start a new passion, how to be the teacher, diving teacher. Yeah, that's make me what I'm interested, you know.
So as you see, these terms can be really different. Like for example, for me personally, from open water to divemaster, it took me 5 years, and then another 3 years to become instructor. And you know, like for example, Roda, it's like a question why he been a divemaster for 12 years. He didn't feel really comfortable to teach people, so that's why it took him a while to get over this and to get encouraged and maybe see good examples all around himself to start teaching. When you see someone doing from zero to hero, let's say from open water to instructor in 6 months, do you think it's a good idea?
No.
No?
No.
What's the problem with that?
Maybe getting some experience and his own buoyancy. And in guiding.
No, maybe someone is really good in a buoyancy.
I think 6 months, too short in a short time, because he need to explore more and then getting more experience about local, discover new local experience about many sites, and then when from beginner to instructor, so have how to manage. Yeah, for example, when you go diving in a strong current, you do know the local area very well, and then sometimes big problem. So you need to know many times about that area.
I absolutely agree with the guys. It's okay to become an instructor in 6 months. It's not the problem. The problem is afterwards what you're gonna do with it. If you're going to pretend that you will be really good at good instructor after 6 months of being diver, definitely no. If I would become instructor in 6 months, I would slave for some dive center for little money, just to hang around and gain some experience, and only then take people out for serious dives, for some serious courses. Believe me, it's a big difference between the new instructor and experienced instructor. We definitely have to give a chance to those guys, because you cannot get experience without being a diving professional, right? But maybe you don't have this time of this, I don't know, maybe 12 years collecting dives and experience. and you only have this 1 year when you're traveling, and then you decided also to become a buddy professional to earn some money while traveling. But yeah, that's what you have to keep in mind. You cannot be a good instructor without a good experience. How's the IDC going?
Great.
Great.
Learning a lot of information, useful practice. Yeah.
Or is it really different from what you did before?
I think, yeah, just at the beginning, yeah, I feel nervous, you know, what we're gonna do, and then I have to prepare everything, you know. If just at the beginning, like presentation, I feel so hard, yeah, because yeah, everything I feel blame, you know. I need to learn more. So at the beginning, after learning, and then when I do homework, when I study more at home because I have more time, and then I really enjoy it.
What constantly I am experiencing, that people think that everything will be like during the divemaster course. IDC is more intense, right? Like more pressure, because the IE is coming and all, we have to fill up all the gaps during this IDC, right?
Yeah, it's very different from divemaster course. And during divemaster course, we're just like studying a little bit, looking after instructors, what they are doing, and here we need just to do everything on our own and practice and do skills. Yeah, scissors.
Yeah. This video is not created to promote IDC. This video is created to make you understand what it takes to become a diver and then all the way up to the instructor. Let's go through all the courses. Open water diver course, if you do theory online, so then it's 2 days. First day we do all the confined water and the first open water dive. Second day 3 open water dives, course done. What's included in this course? 5 chapters of the theory. Then later on we do 5 confined waters and 4 open water dives. So when you finish the course, you have a logbook with 4 open water dives registered in it, with the stamps and instructor signature. Next course you can start immediately. There's different approach from different dive centers, but technically, if we follow all the standards, you can start your advanced course straight after your open water diver course. Advanced course, what is it? It's like you're going to the shop and they're giving you to try different candies. You don't know which candy you like, but the shop gives you to try, and if you like, then you buy that. Advanced course is absolutely the same. It's just giving you a chance to try different specialties. In advanced course there are 5 dives. Usually what we are doing, the core dives are deep and underwater navigation, and then we offering some another dives which are really special in this particular place or another place. Like what we are doing, we're doing wreck diving, we do drifts because we have some good currents here, and we definitely do night dives at Liberty Wreck because it's, as you saw from my previous videos, there are so many groupers and other things to see during the night which you don't see during the daytime. So you have a logbook with 9 log dives. 9 dives. It's already good. Usually people don't rush to the next course, but if you have this plan to become instructor, then you do the next step. And again, the next step you can do immediately after the advanced course. So you sign up for the rescue diver course. Rescue diver course comes into the package of EFR course, because without that one you cannot do CPR during the rescue course. In a rescue course we spend a lot of time on the surface and little underwater. In the end of the rescue course, most probably you get another 4 or 5 dives. Rescue 7, that's all unresponsive dive on the surface. We spend a lot of time on the surface. Panic dive, also on the surface. Towing tire diver on the surface. 9 plus 5, it's 14 dives. To start your dive master course, you need at least 40 dives. That's the requirement. So what are you gonna do? But because we have a lot of people who wants to do it in one row, all the courses, so then we usually offering the package, and it definitely takes the time. Even you do 2 dives a day, it is a bit. As long as you get 40 dives, then you can start dive master course. We offering 3 different packages. 15-day dive master package, which is all focused on the standards and meeting performance requirements. Then we have 30 days. On the 30 days you meet all the performance requirements and also get some experience with the real divers. So we allow you to guide the dives. Of course it's no No one will pay you for that because it's your internship. And the third program is 60-day dive master program, where we meet all the performance requirements, plus you get 1.5 months of internship. So you work with the people, you, let's say, you gather the new customers, you explain about the facilities, you guide the people. So in these 2 months you definitely become a good dive master. The moment when you finish your open water diver course to the moment when you go to the instructor exam should be 6 months in between. Only in that moment you can attend instructor exam. IDC you can start earlier, but instructor exam 6 months. Next step is an instructor, right? So to participate in the IDC you need at least 100 dives. So that means when you finish your dive master course you have 60 dives done. Now you can be a little bit more useful than, for example, a rescue diver who cannot do anything in a shop because he's not a diving professional. Now, if you like, you can do some longer internship, guide people, maybe assist some courses, and in this time you gain this another 40 dives. An instructor course usually takes about 16 days. That's what I'm doing, 15-16 days plus 2 days instructor exam, which usually happens straight after you're done with your IDC program. As a minimum 6 months, as a maximum, like I said, someone did it in 12 years, someone did it in 4 years. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.